see this, I create different folders of HTML, in which advanced, in which simple, in which API, graphics, etc. Now I am creating the course of CSS. I'm just creating a simple CSS basic. Then I will create advanced. Then I will create grid. Then I will create SAS language and so well. You can see in these folders are different work. Do you want this all? I can give you everything if you want. Tell me in your comments. If you want more things about me, then see my channel and follow me, subscribe me, like me. Hope so you are all fine. Thank you so much.